You know, the one thing that separates those who are successful making money online from those who are not successful making money online? I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming up in my review of Reseller Riot. Before I get to that, my name is Eric Hammer, and I am known as the man with the hat. Yada, yada, yada. You probably heard this all before. If you haven't heard it before, you can check out my other videos. You know who I am by now. Make sure you smash the subscribe button. I'm not going to go through the whole thing again. Let's just get right into this thing and let's take a look at this, okay? Because this is really, really cool. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for Reseller Riot. Now, this is from my friend Dawood Islam. Now, Dawood is one of the most prolific launchers on Warrior Plus. He's done like 50 or 60 launches, a ridiculous number. And basically, what he put together here is pretty crazy. Basically, he's got all these different products: total traffic, affiliate marketing magic, Mayday Payday, essential emails. What is this? Campaign converter, monthly income system, fast list now, media madness, hot ticket hot shot, blah, 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 etc., etc. You can see the whole list here. I'm not going to read every single one of them. Bottom line is like this. Pick up Reseller Riot for $12.95, and you get to sell every single one of these products completely, totally, absolutely. Keep every single penny for yourself. So literally make one sale and you make back your money. Make more than one sale and you're going to make more than that. Okay, it's like the most ridiculous thing ever that you could possibly imagine. This is the members area, by the way. You can take a look here real quick and see all the different products that you're getting resale rights to. Now, why would he do this? Well, it's actually very simple. It's because he wants you to drive the traffic. Now, of course, you're going to tell me, Eric, well, that's my problem. I don't have any traffic. I don't know how to drive traffic. Well, I got you covered in that regard as well, because exclusively when you pick up this thing from me, I'm going to give you not one, not two, not three, but 13 different courses and softwares on how to drive traffic. Okay, 14 of them. Okay, you can see the list below this video. If you don't see the list below, you're on YouTube, go ahead and click the link and you'll see the list below of every single one of the courses and softwares that are included with this thing. 14 of them are included for your $12.95. So basically, you're paying less than $1 each in order to get them. Plus, you get resale rights to all these things. Now, the reason I say that this is the one thing you really need is very, very simple. You see, basically, if you want to make money online, you need to have a product to sell. Okay. Now, the trouble is, if you're selling somebody else's products, usually you're getting 50% commissions. Over here, you're getting 100% across the entire funnel. Every single thing that you sell here, you could put together bonuses and basically just sell the heck out of these things. And each one has bonuses included with it, by the way, that you can offer for free. Okay, and sell the heck out of these things, and you can make so much money selling these things. And there's 20 of them, 20 different products that you can actually resell and keep 100% commissions on. Okay, and now the reason he's doing it is because, well, he wants you to sell it, and he also gets a free lead once you sell it. So basically, it's a win-win because you are going to collect a lead, you're going to sell, you're going to make some money, and he's going to get a lead as well. So everybody wins here. And basically, you're going to be able to sell a ridiculous number of products and keep all the money for yourself. It's really a no-brainer. And so, you know, I'm trying this, by the way, where I'm not going through the whole thing, where I'm going to give you a long thing telling you all about, who I am and et cetera, et cetera. I think you know that by now. So go ahead and bet this one. This one's good. You're going to love it.